We're on our way back from Geoagiu, where we went today to a spa. It was so nice. But here is a beautiful church tucked away in the valley. The birds seem to really like it here. There's lots of birds here in Romania. And this particular building has some beautiful artwork. In the distance you hear this. And that's a Geoagiu, I think it's called. Geoagiu, because that sounds like what they're saying. Oh, there's a sheepdog. Hi. There's some beautiful gardens right here. Get a little closer look at this artwork here. Wow, they really are flying like crazy right here. Oh, that's beautiful. They must have something in that window. Let's see what that is. Oh, it's their nest. Wow. God's beautiful creation. Romania is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I'm so grateful to be here. Perfect place to be creative and finish the work that the Lord has given me to do.